This is us. For the next 28 days, we will be traveling and working remotely in Japan to have a glimpse of what it looks like living here. Samahan nyo kami and let us guide you to different places in Sapporo, Tokyo, Nikko, and Hakone. This is part of our 30ish Days in Japan series, kaya be sure to stay tuned kasi at the end of this series, we will give you a breakdown of all our expenses for this trip. For this video, we will be walking around the streets of Tokyo. Let's celebrate my birthday at a yakiniku restaurant eating wagyu beef, and let us check out Yokohama. We arrive at Narita Airport around 10:45 PM at hinabol ang last train papunta ng Ojima Station, kung saan meron kaming relative or we can stay habang nasa Tokyo kami.
Inabi na kami sa Tokyo.
The next day, we went to Shibuya to observe how Tokyo celebrates Halloween after our shift. It is well known kung paano mag-celebrate ng Halloween ang Shibuya, pero this year, the government actually discourages it and walang official event na gaganapin dito sa Shibuya. May mga banners everywhere reminding citizens and tourists na Shibuya will not host any event, and pati nga si Hachiko ay nilagyan nila ng barricade to discourage people visiting Shibuya. There are police presence in every block and most notably ay sa may Shibuya crossing. Some roads are even closed pero it didn't stop citizens and tourists to visit the area and do their own thing. Naglakad-lakad lang kami around Shibuya area to observe, and madami ba ding mga tao who dresses up for the occasion.
Yeah, that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait, no, it's living with no shame. Wait, no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well, I just want to be happy. How to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
があるまで今しばらくお待ちください。皆さんのご協力をお願いします。横断待ちの皆さんにお願いします。信号が青になりましても駆け出すことなくゆっくりとお進みください。
Kinabukasan, nagpunta muna kami sa Asakusa Station to purchase an all-area pass for Nikko, Japan, na pupuntahan namin this coming weekend. This includes a round-trip train fare from Tokyo to Tobu, Nikko, and bus and train fares in the Nikko area. After that, we head straight to the first item sa ating itinerary, which is Asakusa Senshoji Temple. This is Tokyo's most famous and oldest Buddhist temple. The iconic Thunder Gate leads to a shopping street where they offer goodies and street foods for temple goers. This is actually our third time in Tokyo, and each time we visit ay hindi namin pinapalagpas puntahan ang Tokyo Tower. We just love yung unique architecture of this tower and yung contrasting color niya compared to the Sky Tree. We walk about 15 minutes from Tokyo Tower to Shimbashi Station, where we ride a 20-minute metro rail to Odaiba. Some attractions that you can visit in the area includes a Statue of Liberty replica, a life-sized unicorn Gundam outside the Diversity Mall, and the Rainbow Bridge that illuminates every night.
Iwan
Dito
mo.
tayo. Dito tayo. Tinan! Tapos Akihabara, lakad na.
Today is my birthday kaya ang first item ng ating itinerary is window shopping sa Akihabara. Akihabara has plenty of anime and manga merchandise katulad ng mga action figures, shirts, and many more. Also known as Electric Town, para din itong raon sa Metro Manila where you can buy electronic parts from radio to personal computers. Pag may mga natipuhan kayong action figure, ang advice ko is to compare prices with other shops. After naming mag-Akihabara ay bumalik kami ng Shibuya Station and this time to do some shopping kasi sale season din ngayon sa Japan on preparation sa Black Friday. Meron din ditong mga shops katulad ng 2nd Street that offers second-hand items for a very reasonable price. Pagkatapos namin sa Shibuya ay nakipag-meet na kami sa pinsan ni Jean na si Ate Jenny, kung saan din kami nag-i-stay dito sa Tokyo para mag-dinner sa isang yakiniku restaurant na may masarap na Wagyu beef. I'll just leave the link of the restaurant in the description below.
Walang Goldilocks.
Goldilocks. Goldilocks? Wow!
お水か何か
あ、お水。
お水で
あと、なんか、熱いお茶。
あったかいお茶はい
Meron kayong gusto na inumin na
Wala
tubig
pa.
tapos yung ocha.
Ocha.
Na mainit.
Ah.
Ano yun? Ilan?
Ako.
Ocha. Ocha? Ikaw, isa. Ocha.
Oh, lahat din.
Senbu de ocha.
Oh, Tanjobi, omedeto.
Yun na sa ano, Ocha.
Naintindihan ko si Ate Jenny. Naintindihan mo.
Ay, apat yung ibibig sa
Uy. Happy birthday. Ay, may lighter pa pala. Wala ka pa palang hihipan.
Mamaya na po para.
init, no? Mainit ka na?
Cake pa daw, cake.
Sa ilalim.
Cakey.
Tapos ito ang ito ang yakiniku sauce.
Patanjobi, omedeto.
Nagiginom pa. Naka-handed ba yung bulaklak? Tale. Orchids. Ganun ka pala sa dapat.
Happy birthday to you. Birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. More Wagyu.
Pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I can walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I can change my mind.
Happy birthday.
Sobra, grabe. Kusme yan.
The next day, we visited another relative dito naman sa Yokohama, Japan. Holiday today sa Japan as they celebrate Culture Day and dinala kami nila Ate Uyet na pinsan ni Jean sa may Chinatown ng Yokohama.
Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait, no, it's living with no shame. Wait, no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay.
Dito din nila kami tinreat ng lunch.
Glad that you asked me.
Liit eh.
I think it's different
Busog ka na ba?
for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need
Konnichiwa.
to overcome, but try to do what what you love.
After naming mag-lunch ay pumunta naman kami sa Yamashita Park, which is a waterfront park that offers stunning views of Yokohama Bay area. Madaming attraction sa park na to katulad ng NYK Museum, Gundam Factory, and Yokohama Tower. Dito nyo din makikita ang another life-size Gundam sa may Gundam Factory kahit na hindi kayo pumasok sa loob ng factory. We ended our Yokohama exploration by eating desserts at Eggs and Things as they serve the sweetest pancakes in the city. As always, thank you for joining our trip and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Sayonara from Yokohama!